One of our goals here at Postaga is to help you do outreach smarter. And in this video, I'm going to show you a tip to help you do outreach to find the best, most relevant blogs where other websites have done the research and the work for you. In this example today, let's say I want to connect with technology blogs to reach out to them. Well, I could do a custom search campaign and search for technology blogs, and then I'll get results like these that list technology blogs. But we'll also see that some of them are actually listing their own top list of technology blogs. But we can use this. So if I look at one of these articles, it's listing all of these technology blogs, and this looks great. I want to potentially reach out to all of them. Well, thankfully with Postaga, I can take advantage of this research that this website has done and reach out to all of the websites that they link to here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy the URL of this website and then create a new campaign, and I'm going to create a mention campaign. How the mention campaign works is if you enter a URL, it will find all of the outbound links to other websites from that URL. So for example, if I enter in the URL of this list of 100 best technology blogs, it's going to find me the links to the websites of all those 100 best technology blogs. So if you think about it, this can be a really powerful way for you to leverage the research that other websites have done and find other websites that you want to connect with. So I'm going to enter in that URL and click Analyze, and then Postaga is going to automatically find me all the outbound links from that list article. And once that's done, I can get all the right contacts and contact email addresses, and then build an outreach campaign to those different blogs. So right now, Postaga is pulling in all of these domains. Now, Postaga is finding contacts at each of these websites. And when it's done, I'll be able to get their email addresses and then build an outreach campaign for them. And just like that, in a few minutes, I've built an outreach campaign thanks to the research that another website has done for us. This saves us time and helps us connect with a lot of great, relevant websites. Feel free to try it out on your next campaign with Postaga.